Welcome back, class 12, your grammar class. It is do as directed. I will give you one sentence, and in the next sentence, you have to start. The starting word or words will be given. You have to complete it. You have done it before. So please start writing. Sentence number 1. But for Mr. Larkins, Larkin''s, but for Mr. Larkins' help, comma, Gavin, Gavin, Gavin would have failed. But for Mr. Larkins' help, comma, Gavin would have failed. You have to start with had, H-A-D, had. Sentence number 2. The, T-H-E, the, B-E-E, B. The bee is more, the bee, B-E-E-B, is more industrious, I-N-D-U-S-T-R-I-O-U-S. The bee is more industrious than most other insects. The bee is more industrious than most other insects. You have to start with the bee is one. The bee is one, O-N-E, one. Okay. Third sentence. Sentence number 3. He is the cruelest man, C-R-U-E-L-L-E-S-T, cruel, then again L-E-S-T, cruelest man I ever met. He is the cruelest man I ever met. You have to start with I have, I''V-E, that was I have. Okay. Sentence number 4. I expect he will get there. I expect he will get there by lunchtime. I expect he will get there by lunchtime. You have to start off with I expect him. I expect him. Okay. Now, the 5th sentence. I called Mita, M-I-T-A, Mita. I called Mita and questioned her, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-E-D, questioned her. I called Mita and questioned her. Okay. You have to start off with not only. Sentence number 6. It is a pity that your home is so far away. It's a pity that your home is so far away. You have to start off with I wish. I wish. I wish. Sentence number 7. Hemant, H-E-M-A-N-T, Hemant was too honest, T-O-O-2. Hemant was too honest to have committed spelling C-O-M-M-I-T-T-E-D. Hemant was too honest to have committed the forgery, F-O-R-G-E-R-Y, forgery means theft, forgery. Hemant, you have to start off with Hemant was so. Sentence number 8. Sarani, S-A-R-A-N-I, Sarani is a name. Sarani must decide. Sarani must decide whether, this whether is not W-E-A-T-H-E-R, this is whether, if, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, whether. Sarani must decide whether she should, S-H-E, she, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, go or not. Sarani must decide whether she should go or not. You have to start with whether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, whether. Sentence number 9. Sentence number 9. As men get older, as men, M-E-N, men, get, G-E-T, get, older, O-L-D-E-R, as men get older, comma, they become more irritable. They become more irritable, I-R-R-I-T-A-B-L-E, irritable. You have to start with the word the, T-H-E. Number 10. Though Naresh is poor, P-O-O-R, poor, comma, he will not work for a corrupt person. Though Naresh is poor, he will not work for a corrupt person, C-O-R-R-U-P-T, corrupt person. You have to start with the word however, H-O-W, how, E-V-E-R, however. Okay. Now solve these 10 sentences. I am coming back with the answers. I hope you have solved them. After solving, just tally the answers, whether your answer is correct or not. But for Mr. Larkin's help, Gavin would have failed. You have to start with had. Had Mr. Larkin not helped Gavin, had Mr. Larkin not helped Gavin, would have failed. So the answer once more, had Mr. Larkin not helped Gavin, would have failed. Number 2. The bee is more industrious than most other insects. The bee is one of the most industrious insects. The bee is one of the most industrious insects, plural. He is the cruelest man I ever met. I have not met a crueler, Crueller. I have not met a crueler man than he, than. I have not met a crueler man than he. Okay, number 4. I expect he will get there by lunchtime. I expect him to get there by lunchtime. I expect him to get there by lunchtime. Number 5. I called Meeta and questioned her. Not only did I call Meeta, but also questioned her. Not only did I call Meeta, but also questioned her. Number 6. It's a pity that your home is so far away. I wish that your home were not so far away. I wish that your home were not so far away. 7. Hemant. Hemant was too honest to have committed the forgery. Hemant was so honest that he could not have committed the forgery. Hemant was so honest that he could not have committed the forgery. Number 8. Sarani must decide whether she should go or not. Whether she should go or not must be decided by Sarani. Whether she should go or not must be decided by Sarani. As men get older, they become irritable. As men get older, they become irritable. The older the men get, the more irritable they become. The older the men get, the more irritable they become. Though Naresh is poor, he will not work for a corrupt person. However poor Naresh may be, he will not work for a corrupt person. He will not work for a corrupt person. Okay? I hope you have understood. Keep practicing your grammar because it is like mathematics. If you score, you will get full marks. So, that is all for today. Thank you.